We have here a rapid set concrete that is non-shrinking. It's industrial quality and is ideal for dry packing a pole like we're doing today. Just as with the concrete, we'll begin by mixing the dry grout with water. Because the amount of grout you need is fairly low compared with the footing concrete, a wheelbarrow or mixing bucket is generally sufficient. We want a texture that is similar to the consistency of wet beach sand, just after a wave has receded. Begin by forcing the grout between the base plate and the footing. Be sure to fill the entire space beneath the base plate, being careful not to leave any air pockets or gaps. When the area is filled completely, pack the grout with your hands first, then a trowel or putty knife. Remove excess grout and smooth the edges with a trowel. You shouldn't do this, but for the sake of illustration, we've removed the pole to show how the dry pack should completely fill the void below the base plate. There should be no gaps in the grout. Be sure to wait for the grout to cure before putting any loads on the pole. Next, we'll install the shade sail.